Welcome. If you're tired of getting constant notifications every time your Facebook page goes live, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to easily disable live video notifications on your Facebook page using your PC, following the latest Facebook update. Let's dive in and take control of your notifications. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Facebook. Make sure you're logged in to the account that manages your page. Once you're on the main Facebook homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. A menu will appear. From here, select the page you want to manage. This will take you directly to your Facebook page. Once you're on your page, look for your page's profile photo and click on it. This will open up more options specifically for your page. Now, it's time to access your page settings. Find the Settings and Privacy option in the menu and click on it. Then, select Settings from the drop-down list. This will bring you to the main settings area for your page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of different settings categories. Find and click on Notifications. This section controls all the notifications your page receives. Scroll down until you see the video option and click on it. Here's where you can finally take control of those live video notifications. You'll see an option called Allow Notifications on Facebook. Simply toggle this setting off. Once you've done this, you'll no longer receive notifications every time your page goes live or posts a new video. That's it. You've successfully disabled live video notifications for your Facebook page on your PC. No more interruptions or unwanted alerts. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back and turn them back on. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.